We're given four numbers such that the sum of all the numbers except the fourth equals 7. So we're going to say a plus b plus c plus 0d is 7. The sum of all the numbers except the third equals 1. So that's a plus b plus 0c plus d equals 1. The sum of all the numbers except the second equals negative 12. So that's a plus 0b plus c plus d is negative 12. The sum of all the numbers except the first equals negative 7. So that's 0a plus b plus c plus d is negative 7. So we want to find all the four numbers. So clearly from this, a is the first, b is the second, c is the third, and d is the fourth number. First thing I'm going to do is take equation 1 and subtract it by equation 2 to get equation 2. So what that does is it's going to cancel the a's and the b's in the second equation. And so we have 0a plus 0b minus c plus d is negative 6. Now we're going to subtract equation 1 from equation 3, and that's going to be our new equation 3. And the reasoning behind this is the a's and the c's are going to cancel. So now it's just 0a minus b plus 0c plus d equals negative 19. We're going to swap rows 2 and 3, and the idea is that the third row has 1 0 in front of b, and the second equation has 2 zeros in front of c. And now we're going to add equation 4 with equation 2 to get our new equation 4. And so when we add these, the b's are going to cancel. And so we get 0a plus 0b plus c plus 2d is negative 26. Now equation 3 and equation 4, notice that one has negative c, the other one has positive c. So if we add these, the c's are going to cancel. And so that's going to be our new equation 4. So it'll be 0a plus 0b plus 0c plus 3d is negative 32. Now we want to get this coefficient of d to be 1. So we're going to divide this last equation by 3. And so this last equation is good. We see that d is negative 32 over 3. So we're going to work backwards. And we want to eliminate d here. So we're going to take equation 4, subtract it with equation 3 to get our new equation 3. So the d is no longer there. And now we see that c is negative 14 over 3. Now the goal is to get b, but first we have to eliminate d. So we're going to take equation 4, subtract it with equation 2 to get equation 2. And so now the second equation, we see that b is 25 over 3. So the last three equations here are good, but the first equation, we have to eliminate both b and c. And we're going to use equation 2 and equation 3 for that. But first, let's take equation 1, subtract it with equation 2 to get equation 1. That's going to cancel out the b here. But that leaves us another c, so in order to eliminate c, we have to subtract it from equation 3. And that's going to be our new equation 1. So from here, we see that a is going to be 10 over 3, and then b is 25 over 3, c is negative 14 over 3, and d is negative 32 over 3. And these are our four numbers.